Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix incorrect colors in Task Manager's Performance section, in the latest Dev Channel update, version 24H2, build 26120.1350. So, without further ado, let's begin. Some insiders who are facing the color issue, while using Windows in dark mode, can use this method to fix this issue. Firstly, open your browser and download Beef tool from github.com. Then go to the download folder, and extract the downloaded file to the System32 folder of your PC. After extracting the file, run the command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the command, you will have to restart your PC, in order to see the changes. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.